Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing data and clearing obvious bottlenecks. Backup critical files to an external drive or file history, then install all Windows updates and run a restart to apply fixes. Once done, open programs and features and remove software you no longer use, then run disk cleanup to remove temp files and system cache. These steps free space and eliminate update-related slowdowns, giving the system breathing room before deeper tuning. Now focus on runtime behavior. Open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup apps so boot loads only what you need. This reduces RAM and CPU pressure immediately. Next, change the power plan to high performance or craft a balanced profile that avoids CPU throttling. Then open System Properties, adjust visual effects for best performance to reduce graphical overhead, and ensure SSD trim is enabled. This preserves write speed on solid-state drives and prevents gradual slowdowns over time. Finish by validating system health. Run chkdsk on your drives and execute sfc and dism to repair corrupted system files. These commands fix subtle errors that harm performance. If you still hit limits, increase virtual memory or install more RAM so the system stops swapping excessively. Make sure to update problematic drivers identified earlier. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate drivers and software. Troubleshooting there usually reveals the single culprit that keeps Windows 10 from running fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.